Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create your music studio's website on Wix.com. So as we know, Wix.com is a website builder that allows businesses and platforms to manage and create their websites. The first thing to do is to create your account. Next, we have to click on create new site. Now we just have to answer some questions given by Wix. Like, what kind of website are you creating? We said it's a music studio. Music. They have studio here. Here. Next. Preparing your dashboard. So, while waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this. Next, just we have to answer some questions like I said. Get your business in a few steps. The name of your business. Something like this. No. Mean like, or I have a better idea. Something like this. You enter your business address and click on next. Here you set your working hours, days, hours, and time zone. Next, you start adding service like 2-hour mix and master, rehearse and record, open studio, rehearsal, music lessons, consultations, video recording, and studio time. Next, we have to add some staffs so client knows who they are booking with. Next, what else do you want to add to your business? We have the online payments, in-person payments, automated emails, and we have manage on the go with Wix Owner app. You can use the Wix Owner to manage and edit your website. And here we have the digital and physical products. You can sell them on your website. Next, let's go back to dashboard. And continue the steps. We already done half of the steps. Update your business type. We said music studio. First service consultation. We have working hours, already did that, and staff details, already did that. Now the most important step is to design the website. Now there are two ways of designing the website. The first one is by letting Wix doing the thing, and the second one is by having an experience in design or something like that. You can pick an empty template and start editing by yourself. But in both ways, we're gonna end up in the same place, and it's Wix editor. Now, let's count on Wix to create our website, shall we? Now, we just have to enter some informations, review and edit your info. You need a logo. I don't think I have something that suits a logo here. So yes, let's just put this one. I never seen that. Okay, here we have address, phones, social accounts, and others. So pick a theme you like. You are a music studio, so not elegant, not prestige, and not classic, not clean. We have either the high rise or the lush. So let's pick the lush. Next, they will give us 3 examples of homepage and you will choose one to continue with. Here, we have this one, and this one, and this one, and of course you're gonna choose the one in the middle. Now you will add some pages to your homepage, to your website, like services, equipments, projects, and informations about you, about the studio, and frequently asked questions, recording gears, contacts, testimonials, and feedback. Next, we just have to wait while we create our simple website. And the next step will be to add a real picture from your studios and change the informations that are given from Wix by putting your real story about some informations, the real location. Here we have experience, something for the contact. Here you should put something, right? Something about your experience, your website. And when you are done all of this, you click on publish. Now your website will be ready, but not found on Google easily, except if you have the link. So to make it found on Google, we have to go back to the dashboard and click on get found on Google. We're gonna reach this step later. Here, to get found on Google, you have to complete some questions. Create a site to use SEO tools. We already created the site. So here, start your SEO journey and get found on Google. What's the name of your brand or business? Next, how do you serve your customers? So not online because you are a studio. Here you fill up with your address. Click on next. Which keyword do you want to use in your checklist? You have to choose some keywords like Madara Studio or something like this. Oh, I deleted everything. Here. Or more than that, you can choose 5 keywords that can be words or phrases or expressions that give up your website. So here we have set your homepage title. You need a title, Madara Studio, something like this. By clicking apply and publish, your website will be published. Here we have, if we refresh here and going back here, we have what's important. Tell people about yourself. Is the description beneath the website. You can add the homepage here. Connect, customize the domain is the step that makes your website appear to people when searching. So how to connect it? You just have to click on connect, choose a domain, and pay. Upgrade your membership so you can use a domain and you can be found on Google. And by choosing something like and Wix will check its availability, belong to another Wix account. So you can choose .com and Studio Design. They will give you something to get. By clicking get, they will ask you to upgrade your membership. And that's it for today. Now you have all the information to start your website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.